With U.S. coronavirus hospitalizations hitting record highs and deaths averaging more than 1,100 a day in the last week, and confirmed cases now topping 11 million, that's up from 10 million just 6 days ago. Cities and states are taking more action to tackle an out-of-control crisis. New Jersey's governor announced stricter restrictions Monday.
I must again pull back the reins. Gives me no joy to be doing this, by the way.
Indoor gatherings will be limited to 10 people, down from 25. The state of under 9 million, confirming more than 14,000 new infections in just the last 4 days. To nearby Philadelphia, it's banning all indoor gatherings. The city's health commissioner warns if exponential growth continues, hospitals will soon be overwhelmed.
We are in the worst moment of this pandemic to date. The situation has never been more dire.
That from Michigan's Democratic Governor Gretchen Whitmer, who announced sweeping new restrictions Sunday, including a freeze on indoor dining and a halt to in-person high school and college classes as cases surge. Startling reaction from White House coronavirus advisor Dr. Scott Atlas, tweeting that Michiganders should rise up against the new rules, saying people get what they accept. Whitmer was the target of a recent kidnapping plot. She calls the doctor's statements irresponsible. To Washington State, where a 1-month ban is going into effect on indoor dining and gyms. The state's governor confirming more than 2,000 cases a day over the weekend, and average cases in the state doubling over the past 2 weeks. To Ohio, a new limit on mass gatherings there as cases top 300,000. The Dayton Daily News reporting Monday is the 4th straight day Southwest Ohio reported more than 800 coronavirus patients in hospitals, up by about 300 from just 2 weeks ago. Hard-hit North Dakota joining 35 other states over the weekend in mandating masks. And in neighboring South Dakota, where hospitals are stretched thin, an ER nurse telling CNN some patients are denying COVID-19 exists right up to the very end.
Their last dying words are, this can't be happening, it's not real. And when they should be spending time FaceTiming their families, they're filled with anger and hatred, and it just made me really sad.
Now, Donald Trump still not conceding, and his administration holding up the transition process to the winner of the U.S. election. On Monday, U.S. President-elect Joe Biden is saying more people may die if that coordination between Trump's team and Biden's doesn't happen. Melissa Duggan, City News.